In this episode, we're going to go ahead and replace the blade on this DeWalt 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. Now, if you look on the back of your tool, you'll see that you have this little gizmo here. This is exactly what you're going to need to replace this blade on this saw. So, without further ado, let's get it done. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lift up the safety. And then what we want to do is we want to use the star side on our tool, and we're going to back this bolt right here out. Now we don't need to back it out all of the way. So we're just going to back it out until the safety slide moves freely, just like that. Now the neat thing about this is that bolt will also hold this safety guide in place so we can get to this bolt. So the next thing we got to do is we've got to find the blade lock, and the blade lock is right here. So we need to push this while we're turning the blade to lock it into place. So before I push the blade lock, I just grabbed a screw here to clean out any sawdust that had gathered into this bolt here. That way I can get the tool all the way down in there. So now I'm going to push the blade lock, and I'm going to turn the blade until it locks. Now this is reverse threaded, so your righty-tighty, lefty-loosey does not apply here. We're actually going to go right to loosen this bolt. Now this bolt does need to be removed completely. And then I can just slide the old blade out. And then I can just slide the new blade into place. So now that I have it on the ring, I'm going to go ahead and put the lock on. And then I'm going to start just finger tightening the bolt. Now remember, it's reverse threaded. So what you're used to is a little bit different when it comes to loosening and tightening. Okay, so now that I have it finger tight, I want to use the tool to finish tightening it down. Now make sure you got your rotation right. Remember, the saw will cut clockwise, so that's how you need to put your blade on. Now we need to put our safety back into place, and we can start tightening this bolt down. This is normal threaded, so the original rules do apply. All right, now that we've got it tightened down, we can let go of our safety, and the blade replacement is done. So there we go. We have a brand new sharp blade on our DeWalt 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. Not too difficult. Remember, the tool is included. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified of new episodes as they become available. Also, if you are new to the woodworking hobby, check out my Woodworking for Beginners video series. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments section, and I will get to them as soon as I can. If you would like to support my channel, I'll put a link in the description to make a donation. Otherwise, until next time, keep it safe.